Welcome back to WizzKidz TV. Do you know what animal this is? Yes, it's a giraffe. Let's put the giraffe puzzle back together. Do you know what this is? Yes, it's the giraffe's head. Let's put it over here. Now, tell me what number this is. Number 1. Blue number 1. Let's put it here. What comes after number 1? Number 2. Yes, pink number 2. What's after 2? Number 3. Green number 3. What's after 3? Four. Red number 4. It's sitting all together. What's after 4? 5. Yellow number 5. What comes after 5? 6. Blue number 6. What's after 6? 7. Pink number 7. That's the leg. What's after 7? Number 8. Green number 8. What's after 8? 9. Orange number 9. What comes after 9? 10. Green number 10. Thank you so much for helping me. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun videos, and we'll see you in the next one. Goodbye!